Hi everyone, welcome to the Maha Winter Mornings, and here's a little video about my relationship with symbols. So I don't think that I was that into symbols to begin with when I first became a Buddhist, but I think over the years it's become more and more important for me and more a part of my practice, and now I would say that it's woven so tightly into my practice that I'm not sure where the symbols and myths end and my practice begins. They all sort of merge into each other. And I think I've discovered that symbols and myth can be useful in lots of different ways, and two of these ways maybe I'll just mention. So the first way is sort of integration. I have come across symbols, images, myths in my time where I resonate with them on different levels, different parts of me, different sides of me, different aspects of my personality. Sort of, I'm kind of intrigued and I'm drawn into the images, and I can tell that I'm resonating. Some part of me is identifying with that and finding it as a way to express itself. So, for example, recently I was really drawn to the image of the Obscurus in the Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. It's this kind of dark vortex, destructive vortex that goes around kind of destroying things and killing things, a very violent image. And I resonated with that, part of myself resonated with that. And by kind of going into that image and bringing it into my meditation, I was really able to come into a relationship with that part of myself and resolve it to some extent. So it's very, very helpful. And I don't think I would have been able to do that without having an image that I could work with for it. And the second way is more to lift me up to something which is more the ideal. And I suppose this is where what Subhuti calls illumined images or illumined symbols become more relevant. So symbols and images that represent reality itself. And for me, the strongest image in that way is the Buddha Akshobhya, the blue Buddha. He's the Buddha that I meditate on as an integral part of my practice. And he's this, Akshobhya means unshakable, and he reaches down and touches the earth, and he's just a kind of huge, vast, unshakable source of wisdom and compassion. It's like this huge perspective of reality. And meditating on him and bringing him into my mind and in my days, that has the effect of bringing a kind of flavour of perspective when I'm getting anxious or angry or upset or a bit kind of self-obsessed. Akshobhya gives me a different perspective where I can kind of step back from being entangled in the smallness of myself and bring a bigger perspective and more compassion and more understanding and kindness into my days. So he represents something I want to lift myself up to and become, and by dwelling on him in this way, I think I do become more like him. I mean, slowly. So I hope that's helpful, and enjoy your winter mornings.